Okay, listen up. What we're about to go through, this isn't just another set of tips. This is a blueprint. It's a system built for one single purpose, to help you kill the weakness that's been holding you back and forge discipline that is absolutely unbreakable.
And this, right here, this gets to the absolute core of it. I want you to forget everything you've ever been told about motivation or willpower. The real enemy, the source material argues, isn't some flaw in your character. No, it's a deep, sneaky addiction to comfort, an addiction that is quietly sabotaging your entire life, every single day.
And this slide, it just lays it all out, right? It's the deal you've been making with yourself. Over on the left, you've got these small, seemingly harmless choices. Hitting snooze, scrolling on your phone, saying I'll start tomorrow. Feels good in the moment, doesn't it? But then you look to the right. The long-term result isn't comfort at all. It's a prison where your potential rots into regret. Your brain gets hijacked, and the person you were meant to become just quietly dies.
All right, so first things first, we have to properly identify the enemy. We're going to break down this prison of comfort because, you know what they say, you can't defeat an enemy you don't truly understand.
Now, this is a really interesting way to frame it, isn't it? Your brain isn't broken. It's not inherently weak. It has been hijacked. Modern life has systematically rewired it to do three things, and three things only. Run like hell from anything difficult, crave instant, cheap rewards, and just completely fold the second things get tough. This is so crucial. You're not fixing a defect. You're taking back a system that's been stolen from you. Okay, so we've diagnosed the problem. We know what we're up against. Now we get to the solution. This section is all about the first three practical, actionable steps you can take right now to start winning those first battles and taking back control of your mind and your day.
And here they are, 3 commands. They sound simple, but let me tell you, they are not easy. 1. Eat the pain first. 2. Kill cheap dopamine. 3. Lock your environment. These aren't just suggestions, They are the foundational tactics in this war against comfort. So let's break each one down.
So this first step, it's all about flipping the script on your entire day. See, most people, they save the hardest thing for last. That means they spend the whole day dreading it. The strategy here is the exact opposite. Do the most uncomfortable thing first. That workout you're avoiding, do it. That difficult phone call, make it. When you swallow that pain first thing in the morning, 2 amazing things happen. You build incredible momentum, and the rest of the day feels easy by comparison.
Okay, this next one is a total game changer. You know that feeling of being stuck or lazy? Well, the source argues it's not even a real state of being. It's just a symptom of being completely overstimulated. Your brain has been so flooded with easy, high dopamine hits that real, meaningful work actually starts to feel like torture. Your whole reward system is just broken.
And yep, here they are, the usual suspects, the prime hijackers. These things aren't just distractions. They are actively rewiring your brain to hate effort. And the blueprint here is ruthless. You have to cut them out. When you starve your brain of this cheap, instant pleasure, something incredible happens. Your natural hunger for real achievement, for a real challenge, it comes back. Your focus gets sharp. You become dangerous again.
And this brings us to a huge point. You have to stop relying on willpower. Seriously, it's a joke. It's a battery that gets drained throughout the day. Winners don't spend their days fighting temptation. They build an environment where temptation doesn't even exist.
I love this quote because it just perfectly nails the mindset you need. It's non-negotiable. Your environment should be built for one thing and one thing only: excellence. If it's not actively helping you achieve your mission, it's hurting you. So get rid of the junk food, hide the gaming console, remove anything that serves that weaker version of you. You either build a cage for excellence or you stay a slave to convenience.
Okay, so we've handled the external stuff, the actions. Now we got to go deeper. This next part is all about the internal shift, the part where temporary changes become a permanent part of who you are.
Honestly, this might be the most powerful, most radical idea in this entire blueprint. You don't slowly become a disciplined person. No, you decide that you are a disciplined person. Right now, this very second. The version of you who made excuses, who chose comfort, he's gone. He died the moment you decided to change. Your only job now is to stop bringing him back from the dead every single morning.
So you really have to ask yourself this, because the difference between these 2 questions, it's everything. Becoming is a process. It's full of doubt and negotiations and maybe tomorrows. Being is a statement of fact. It's who you are. You just execute. You don't debate waking up early anymore. It's just what disciplined people do. It's not about effort anymore. It's your identity.
And finally, we get to the rule that holds this whole thing together, the absolute glue. See, motivation is a feeling. It's fickle. It comes and it goes. But momentum? That's a law of physics. Once an object is in motion, it's easier to keep it in motion. 1 skip day creates hesitation. 2 skip days, well, that creates a new habit, the habit of quitting. This rule is absolute.
And this visual just says it all, doesn't it? On your absolute worst days, when you're tired, sick, totally uninspired, you still show up. You might not be able to do your full workout, but you do one push-up. You might not write 1,000 words, but you write one sentence. You do anything but zero. You prove to yourself every single day that you are not the kind of person who just stops. Period.
So, there you have it. That's the blueprint. From understanding the enemy inside you to forging a brand new identity. The information is all here. It's in your hands. But now comes the most important part of all. The decision.
I really want you to let this one sink in. Seriously, no one is coming to save you. That future, stronger, unstoppable version of yourself, he doesn't exist yet. He's waiting for you to create him. And that act of creation isn't gentle. It requires a ruthless, decisive act. You have to kill the part of you that chooses comfort over greatness.
So, at the end of the day, it all boils down to this single choice. You can close this explainer, go back to your life, and stay exactly who you are right now. Or you can take this blueprint and you can execute. The choice, as always, is yours. Who will you be tomorrow?